Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your Spotify not showing songs in your playlist. What you're gonna do first is open up Spotify. Once you've done that, if the playlist doesn't show, you can restart your app. You quit right here. Once you've done that, you wait a few seconds and go ahead and open up the app. And if it's still not there, you can check your internet connection and check if it's working properly. You might be offline, so that might be the reason, or you haven't updated it. You should update your Spotify, and that's it. That's how you fix your Spotify songs not showing in your playlist. Thank you guys for watching.